Hope you can see him. Like this. Oh, you did drop it. You are useless. Right, see if we can get you to follow it. Come on over here. See it? This way. Look. Oh. That's it. Good girl. She used to come up the ramp, but we've kind of swapped everything about, so she's a bit confused now. Look, follow it. Come on, right over here. That's it. Good job. Right, let's try again. Sorry, the camera's so wobbly. Right up here now, and under here. Can you do it? Whoa, good. Well done. Good job. Right, you just stay there. Aha, she found all the mealworms I mushed up for her. Well, actually, some of them are cockroaches, I think. That are all mushed up in her bowl. Let's see if we can focus it better on one sec. Quorn, you have to figure out how to go up. I don't really want to mate with you, but thanks for the offer. Hey Quail, come here. Yeah, good job. So good. Right, give me a sec, don't jump out. There you go. Don't fall off backwards, this is what you always do. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, hello Quorn, you interested in a ramp? Okay, not for you. Nah. There we go. See, I can use cockatiel seed to reward her, but she's not that interested in them. Okay, well no. And they're really hard to feed just one at a time, so... So you just pet my thumb whilst I feed your sister. That's not... Okay, don't jump out. Come on, hold on. See, you don't even like cockatiel seed.